Okay, y'all, it is 2:09 a.m. in the morning, and there's a bird out here in this tree. You can't see this tree, but there's a bird singing. It's so loud. What does that mean? What kind of bird is that? Do you need help?
Is that not normal? I'm kind of freaked out. This is probably my sign to go back inside. 3 in the friggin' morning, full moon.
Look at the sky. 6 a.m. activity at 2 in the morning. Birds do not always talk this late at night. Like, I know, I'm not tripping, right?
Is it just me, or is it unsettling to hear birds chirping at 1 a.m.?
Can somebody tell me why the fuck there's birds chirping at 2 o'clock in the morning? Y'all hear that, right? In case I'm mistaken, birds only are supposed to chirp in the morning when the sun comes out. So what is happening?
It's weird.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It is 3:18 in the morning. Can you hear that? Why are the birds singing at 3:18 in the morning?
Noticed this like maybe 3 weeks ago. I started hearing like birds chirping outside my window. And the first time I noticed it, I was like, okay, this is strange. This isn't normal because I'm a night owl. I usually stay up way past midnight. And so they were definitely chirping like around 1 or 2 in the morning. And it's happened most nights, so I've gotten used to it, but I'm still weirded out by it because I don't understand why it's happening all of a sudden. And
Birds are chirping all night, all the time now. Since when did birds start chirping? All through the night and day.
It's 12:30 a.m. The birds have been going crazy for like the past month.
All the birds are chirping. It's like 2 in the morning. They just started. All of them. There's multiple species of birds chirping at 2 in the morning in northern West Virginia right now, and I know that's not normal.